Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute card video. Today I have a super fast card for you. It's this beautiful rainbow snowflake. The colors I'm going to be using are Red Hot, Tangerine Twist, Wild Dandelion, Lucky Clover, Turquoise Sea, and Wild Lilac. To begin, I'm going to use the Stellar Snowflake Stencil, and I'm going to adhere that onto a piece of white cardstock. I'm using a little washi tape on the back to stick it down, and the Stellar Snowflake Stencil is a great one for so many techniques. So I'm going to begin with the Red Hot ink, and instead of doing a fade down the snowflake, I'm going to work my way out in rainbow order from the center. So I'm starting right in the center, laying down a little bit of that red hot ink. You don't want to go out too far because you have a lot of colors to get through. My next color is Tangerine Twist, and I'm going to work in a circular motion around that red hot. Now I feel like I might be encroaching a little bit on that red hot, so I'm going to add some more red hot in just a little bit. My next color is Wild Dandelion, and I'm going to work this color into that Tangerine Twist. So again, just circular motions and going right around in a circular pattern. Now I'm going to go back and add some Red Hot in the center, just whatever's left on my brush, just to brighten that up a little bit. And then I'm going to move to my next color, which is Lucky Clover. Now there's lots of substitute colors that you can use. You just want to pick a green. Any green in your collection will work, but I really like Lucky Clover because it's a nice bright primary green. Now my next color is Turquoise Sea. Now this one you could sub out. If you wanted to do a blue instead of a turquoise, it would work just fine. But I really like the turquoise look here. If you used a blue, everywhere that it blended together with the green would turn turquoise. Turquoise is a really favorite of mine when it comes to rainbows. My next color and final color is Wild Lilac. And I'm going to blend that just along the edges here, blending it into that turquoise just a little bit. And everywhere it blends into turquoise, you get that beautiful wisteria blend. Okay, and once that's done, I'm going to peel the stencil off and it'll be time to add our greeting. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to remove the washi tape and then we're going to add the greeting. So for my greeting, I decided to use this large Merry Christmas from the Holiday Silhouette stamp set. And I'm placing it high enough that those two dots on the snowflake at the bottom are exposed. I'm going to be adding some rhinestones later, and I want to make sure that I can get a couple gems down near the bottom. For this, I'm using the black Onyx ink, and I'm going to stamp it twice. Although this is a big greeting, it still has some delicate lines, so I don't want to smash it down too hard and distort it. I'd rather do 2 or 3 layers of black ink and keep the integrity of the stamp. But 2 layers of black should do it. And there it is. I really like that greeting with this stencil. So now I'm going to add some Gina K Designs Connect glue. I'm going all around the perimeter here and doing these big ones first. Of course, I'm not adding any rhinestones where that greeting is. The rhinestones I'm using are the Gina K Designs Angel Aura rhinestones. And there's a couple different sizes in here. I'm using the big ones for these bigger dots. And then you can see inside the center there where that green and orange is, there is a big dot, a medium dot, and a small dot. I'm going to just do the big dot and the small dot, and I'm going to use a larger rhinestone and a smaller rhinestone. And then, of course, I'm going to add one right in the middle. So these little ones will go on the inside, and then I'll finish up with the bigger ones along the outside. Having all these dots on the stencil makes it really easy to figure out how to line up the rhinestones. And now you can see all of that beautiful sparkle and shine. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute card video, and I hope you'll give this one a try. Stay tuned to my channel for more 5-minute card videos and more Stampin' Chat videos too. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again real soon.